Okay, so get this. 2 months ago, I made $250 for a simple 30-second UGC video. Then they came back again for the third time last week. Now, this time they wanted 6 videos and 3 photos for $220. Are you kidding me? This is why I'm ditching traditional UGC. Well, kinda. Let me explain. If you're a UGC creator or you're an aspiring UGC creator, you'll know the feeling of spending hours on your hair, makeup, lighting, you script, you film, you edit, you deliver, and somehow you're making less than someone flipping burgers. No offense. But here's what really broke me. My dear sweet daughter got me a facial for my birthday. So sweet, right? I was so excited. Except afterwards, my face peeled for about a week and it was red. That means no filming, no income, no backup plan. And that's when I realized I wasn't building a business. I was building a very flexible job that completely depended on me showing up. Look, traditional UGC changed my life. It got me in rooms I never thought I'd be in. It gave me flexibility and it made me see myself as a creator. But let's be honest about what it really is. You film, you deliver, you get paid, repeat. So what happens when you're sick or when the weather just sucks and you don't have good lighting and natural lighting is a requirement? Or what about when you just don't feel like being on? Everything stops. Now here's the kicker. The UGC market just hit $7.6 billion in 2025. That's up 69% from last year. There's more money than ever in this space. So why are creators like us getting lowballed? Especially considering that brands are saving thousands of dollars because they don't have to pay for the big film crew anymore. There are 93% more UGC creators in 2025 than there was in 2024. No, you heard that right. 93% more. So when brand X offers you less for more work, they know that 50 other creators in their DM saying, yes, please. I know. Before you start side-eyeing me, I'm not saying you're going to be obsolete. So pause. AI isn't here to replace creators. It's here to give creators leverage. I'm trying to keep you from being booked out but underpaid, visible but exhausted, and always the possibility of one missed email of losing a whole deal. That's not freedom. That's just a different type of job. Scale your output without scaling your stress. Work with brands even when you're having a bad day, or create content in languages you don't even speak. Or how about building a business that makes money whether you're filming or not? Now that's what AI UGC gives you. AI UGC now accounts for 35% of influencer marketing budgets. Brands using AI UGC see 4 times higher click-through rates. Now, don't get me wrong, that doesn't replace the human UGC. I'm not talking about replacing your creativity. I'm talking about amplifying it. Here's my hybrid model. Okay, so traditional foundation. I can still create 1 or 10 strong traditional UGC hooks. Now that's my baseline. That's the human touch, my authenticity anchor. Then I can use AI to amplify. I can mix in B-roll through the middle, or I can use different hooks for the same body. So this is how I can step in using a faceless avatar version. I can do voiceover versions for when I just don't feel like showing up, or I can add in a B-roll montage generated from AI, and I can use localized versions. And that means it could be different languages for different markets. And then it can easily be packaged and scaled. So instead of delivering one video for $250, I can deliver a content package with 5 variations for $800. The same core message, multiple executions, massive value. That same package may have been $2,000 for me to create without the use of AI. So after getting that deal, I realized that I could create more for less and be within the brand's budget. Here's what they really wanted: variety and volume. They just didn't know how to ask for it. But the best part isn't the money, it's the freedom. I can deliver on days when I look or feel terrible. I can actually take vacation without my income stopping. That's not a job. That's a business. Look, this isn't just about making more money. The UGC market is projected to hit $27 billion by 2029. That's a 250% increase from where we are now. Now, here's the thing. That growth isn't just going to traditional creators doing traditional things. It's going to hybrid creators who understand how to blend human authenticity with AI efficiency. We're at a crossroads. You can keep doing what everybody else is doing, fighting for scraps in an oversaturated market. Or you can evolve. You can build something that scales, something that works for you instead of against you. This is just more fuel for other videos that I've already created, like how to become a UGC creator and get your first brand deal in 24 hours, or how to become a full-time UGC creator in 30 days. I'm not saying that traditional UGC is dead. I'm saying traditional UGC alone is keeping you stuck. The creators who figure out how to blend human creativity with efficiency, they're going to dominate the next 5 years. The ones who don't, they're going to keep getting lowball offers from brands who know they're desperate. So which one are you going to be? Now, this is just the beginning. Next episode, I'm showing you exactly what AI UGC looks like, real examples, real tools, real results. If you want to follow this entire journey with me, I'm documenting everything, the wins, the failures, the tools that work, and the ones that don't. Now, this is how we level up together. So drop a robot emoji in the comments if you're ready to try AI UGC. And subscribe, because this series is going to change how you think about being a creator. The future of UGC isn't human versus AI. It's human plus AI. So let's go build it. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.